Hi guys, welcome back to CaptainFishbeard.com. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon cat. Now on the few of these we have used shapes, and that's going to be no different today. We're going to draw lots of different shapes and then we're going to magically make a cat out of these. So first of all, I'm going to draw it quite large so you can all see. We're going to draw a straight, really big oval there. That's the animal's body. A cat, you'll think, sometimes has a little bit of a dip in there. So if you want to add that in, that's fine. Doesn't matter if you don't. You don't have to follow all the details. Then we're going to get a long tube sort of going up here. Again, if you can make that move a little bit inwards there, it's going to give the tail a little bit more curve. Then the head. Now the head can take up as much of this or as little of this as possible. Depending on the design. So I'm going to draw quite a big head because cartoon characters, I think, should have big heads. And then we're going to have some eyes like that, roughly placed, some ears on there as well. And just like on the dog that we did, we're going to draw a rough space where the muzzle of the cat would be, and then a little nose there as a triangle. So another one there. Then we're just going to draw tubes down here for the legs. Simple as that. And you can already see it starting to take shape as a cat. So then we bring in the pen. We've already got our rough outlines here of exactly where we need to go, so it's easy as this. And the body is just going to be straight on there and up like that. Then we're going to connect this line up for the tail and pull that right down to hit the original oval here. Now on this side we can start a line slightly above because we can always see that line coming down, and then we can put some little claws on that there if you want to. Now what I like to do, you don't have to do this depending on the style of cartoon that you're doing, is miss this leg, push it all the way forward. So now that looks like the leg is behind the animal there. And if you want to, you can colour this one in a little bit there so it looks like a bit of shadow. I think that's quite effective. But on the front ones, I think from this angle we would be able to see these front legs. So we're going to have both the front legs with the little claws there. So you can already see it's starting to take shape. Then with the head, it's coming down like this, following the ears. I can put little extra triangles in the ears. And on here, you can start to add a few more details because you already know what the shape's going to look like. You want to add little bits of fur like that. That's really effective. And the other ear going like that. So I assume that's facing the other way, so I'm not going to do a triangle in that one. And again, add the little bits of fur detail. We know where the rough line is going under there, so we just put little bits of fur around the edges, make him look like a really furry cat. And then on the eyes, follow those circles, and whoop, big staring eyes. Then the nose, we've already got him looking very cat-like here already, haven't we? So we'll follow the line for that muzzle there as well. Because often cats have a different shape around the nose and mouth, don't they? Sorry, a different colour around there. There's a shape of a sort of circular pattern there. Then you can either do however the mouth, however you like. You can do a little smile like one of those, or you can do it coming down like that and going either way. And then whiskers, always whiskers on your cats. And that's pretty much there, isn't it? Then you can add some colour the cat in any way you like. You can make it, give it all sorts of other details. You can give it a hat if you like. Give it a bit more personality. In this, you can make him look a bit more chilled out. Play with it. Once you've got your basic shapes down, the world's your oyster with cartoons. So that's your basic cat. I'll see you next time on the CaptainFishbeard.com.